Hey, I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and this video is to demonstrate a staggered wheel setup for all 2005 to 2009 Mustangs when using an 18 by 9 inch wheel and a 255/45 R18 tire up front, along with a corresponding 18 by 10 wheel and 275/40 R18 tire in the rear. In this video, I will go over what a staggered setup is, fitment in your wheel well area, who this setup might be ideal for, and what to expect when driving on this setup with your Mustang. First things first, a staggered wheel setup on a Mustang is when those rear wheels are slightly wider than the front wheels, which does allow you to run a wider tire in the back, as opposed to going with a standard or square setup when you're using the same wheel and tire size on all four corners. Now, this staggered setup is very popular, as you can see from the pictures provided by fellow S197 customers. Now, this setup is ideal for those of you who want a more aggressive, old school muscle car stance with those wider wheels and tires in the rear. Now, those wider rear tires will also allow for a larger contact patch with the road, which is going to provide you guys with a little bit more traction. This is especially helpful when you're planning on adding more power to your ride. Now, driving with this staggered setup, you can expect to maintain stock-like handling characteristics with no rubbing issues whatsoever, and this setup will fit all 2005 to 2009 Mustangs using a factory suspension, or even cars that have been lowered up to 2 inches. Now, one important note to keep in mind when running a staggered setup on your Mustang is that you will not be able to rotate your tires from front to back or back to front in the traditional sense. You can still rotate the tires from side to side unless they are a directional tire, meaning the tread pattern is only designed to rotate in one direction. Again, this staggered setup of an 18 by 9 inch wheel and a 255/45 18 up front, along with an 18 by 10 inch wheel and a 275/40 R18 tire in the rear, is a very popular choice with our customers and will certainly give your Mustang a wider, more aggressive stance over the stock setup. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set from us here at AmericanMuscle.com, we make it very easy for you to get these on your ride. You can choose to have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you. You can also choose to have those TPMS sensors installed and pick up a transmitter tool to easily calibrate those sensors in your tires. Now, to ensure proper installation of your new wheels, we do strongly recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 1/2 inch by 20 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most aftermarket wheels, and of course you can find those here on the site if you are interested. At that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your car in no time. Now, if you do have any more questions about this setup for your Mustang, you can always call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. As always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at AmericanMuscle.com.